this is Kim and Rob.
Hello.
From K&R Travel Journeys, and today we want to talk about our budgeting for our cruises.
Yes, I mean, basically, we went from a family of 7 to 2. So what we do is we take the budget we use all those years with the 5 kids, and we take the two of us. So that's 7 airline tickets, that's 7 passengers on a cruise, and we took that whole budget and kept it the same number and applied it to just the 2 of us when we first started going on Celebrity Cruise Line, right?
Yes, we did. And with that, we really are traveling quite in style with that budget.
Yeah, basically every time we go on a Celebrity Cruise, suites only. So our first cruise, Antarctica, which we've talked about before, we did a 14-night cruise. Yes, the kids came with us then, but that was just a bump in the road, to say. But we started at a Royal Suite. Second cruise we did with your brother.
Yes.
We actually got we first booked a Celebrity Suite, but so did I think your brother got a suite guaranteed rate.
Yeah, they had some promotion going on.
Yeah, so then 2 months before the cruise, their guaranteed suite was a Celebrity Suite, and we were like,
wait a minute,
we paid full price for a Celebrity Suite. Why are they getting that? So after multiple calls to Celebrity Cruise Line, they upgraded us to a Royal Suite again. So that was great.
It was.
Yeah.
And always remember, the squeaky wheel gets the oil.
In that situation.
It did.
Yeah.
And it's just so nice to be able to travel with just the 2 of us, as far as
not worrying about 7 passports
or all the luggage, things like that. So it's really
I mean, the luggage was crazy. It was like 14 pieces of luggage for the 7 of us. Now it's just her and I with a carry-on and maybe 1 check bag. Depends on how long the cruise is that we decide to go on. But it's a lot easier than it used to be.
And the room's cleaner. LOL, kids, sorry about that. But it's certainly, quieter when you get up in the morning and we have our coffee, or, just going out to the deck and not worrying about
a kid jumping overboard. Not worrying about.
Thankfully, something like that didn't happen.
Thankfully, it didn't happen. But these are concerns or worries that you have as a parent.
So a lot less.
So now you just got to worry about her.
So, with going from traveling with 7 of us to just the 2 of us, it is definitely a lot less stress.
Right.
And it's not so chaotic where we would have to worry about getting everything together, from packing to passports.
Everything. Then once you're on the cruise, you worry about you got to worry about getting the kids ready. I had to worry about, especially like on chic night, or they call it chic night now. Before it was called formal night. Tuxedos and all that stuff. But great pictures, of course, and it was great memories. But now we don't have to worry about that. We just have to worry about ourselves. So
it's just
that
the 2 of us.
Makes it a lot easier.
It is.
Yeah.
So from there, just to even get up in the morning and have...
It's nice and relaxing. You don't have to worry about getting everybody up, getting everybody else ready for the day. We just worry about ourselves. And that makes things a lot nicer. We don't have to plan ahead. We can just kind of just go with the flow. And that makes it for a nice, relaxing vacation.
It definitely does.
Yeah. So the first thing I always do is, how much would it cost for 7 people? That's what I do for balcony rooms, whether it's 2 balcony rooms connecting or a family suite. How much would that cost? And I take that, and I take the airline tickets, and I add all that up. I still do that to this day. I add it, and I get a figure. And that figure is our budget for our next trip for the 2 of us. So that actually has been working out great. I also factor in how much would it cost for 7 of us to go on an excursion. And
that's true.
And that's how we're able to, do private journeys or whatever, because we're taking a budget for 7 and we're like, oh, let's have a nice little quaint experience on private journeys and beat the crowds.
And also that goes along with us being able to get business class.
Yes.
So, and I will say, I want to mention that Rob does do all the planning. I just kind of go with the flow. He just always makes it a perfect vacation.
Well, thank you for that, honey.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank
you.
Anytime. So, I think we took this, when we went with your father and your mother, we were on the Reflection, and I think we got the signature suite on that one, which is one above the Royal Suite, because it fell within our budget, so that's what we did. So that was great. And then the next one, we got a Royal Suite for the Alaskan trip, and that fell within our budget, so that was good too.
And it's always nice to have too when we travel with other people, whether it's friends or family, to have them come to our room and host. To be able to, in Alaska, we got to see the
Hoppy glaciers,
and we had everybody at our room because we had our nice big balcony, and
everybody could view in our room.
Come in, appetizers and some champagne.
Yeah, the butler really did a great job in setting everything up.
It's really a nice touch.
Yes, excellent touch. And that way everybody can relax and enjoy themselves. Then the last cruise we went on, the
penthouse.
This, what was it, Solstice, Celebrity Solstice, actually the last series we did, the whole series,
Thailand.
Vietnam and Thailand, we're going to keep mentioning that, check it out.
Because it was a great trip.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
It was our first trip in a long time that we took just the two of us
just
on
the
a
two of
cruise.
us, right, because other cruises were with couples and everything.
And
so
family.
Yeah, family, so this time it was just the two of us. So we didn't book the penthouse suite. We just got lucky with the penthouse suite because we booked a Royal Suite actually for that cruise. And I think it was about 6 weeks prior to that, I'm looking online and I see the bidding open up for actually 45 days before, I believe. I'm not sure when the bidding, I think it's 45 days. And a penthouse suite was available. And there was only 2 penthouse suites on the Celebrity Solstice. So it became available, and I was like, oh, let me put a bid in. So I put a low bid in. But at the same time, I just gave them a call. So I was driving up to our cabin, and I'm driving up, I'm by myself, I'm on the phone with them, and they said, it is available, and I can upgrade. And I was like, oh, okay. And they gave me a price. I said, is that per person? And she was like, no, that's total. And I'm like, I had to pull on the side of the highway and then pull out my credit card and I said, we need to book. I need to book this right now. So I wanted to mention. So I got that and I didn't say a word to her.
No.
So I don't know how I don't know how I kept it a secret. Actually, the only person I said something to was our oldest daughter because she actually can keep a secret. Our other daughters can't. But
not nice. But anyways, it's true. Though it was a huge surprise, and if you go back and watch our Vietnam and Thailand cruise, you can actually see the suite on there.
It's absolutely
just was beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful.
Even going back and looking at the video ourselves, what a great room. So if you keep up and you do all that extra work, it can really work out for you, like it did for us.
And the trip that we're going on with Celebrity Edge. We got another suite, so we're actually looking forward to that one, and we'll show you everything about this suite.
Yeah, really excited.
Yeah, really excited about it. We actually were supposed to have the same suite a couple of years ago, but we didn't go on that cruise. So
we did not.
But we have it this time. So God willing, it should be nice as long as we get there safe and sound.
I think so.
So.
To love.
To the sea.
And every beautiful chapter. Thank you for watching K&R Travel Journeys, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.